YouTube, we got the Weld wheels back, and y'all are not ready for this setup. This setup is gonna be absolutely sick. We got the 17-inch Weld Belmonts on the 305 Mickey Thompson, the 305 45 17, and look at them, man. These boys are cold, 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 cold. We are installing the Demon springs on the Hellcat right now, and the shortened sway bar end links to fit the 17-inch wheels. And so that's what we are in the process of. We've got the back coming apart, and as well, if y'all have been tuned into my channel, y'all know my wheel stud is stripped, so we're fixing the wheel stud while we're back there. We got the shortened sway bar end links from HHP. Now I'm kind of upset that I didn't get the B Woody ones after seeing the B Woody compared to the HHP ones that I got. They look like factory, like they cut them and re-welded them, so they're like skinny still, not thick bushings like the B Woody steel type look. So they look a little bit cheaper, but I didn't know about the B Woody until I was watching a video. If you strip a Hellcat wheel stud, you're gonna hate your life. I don't know what I'm doing, he does. This is what you gotta do. You gotta take the whole assembly off. I don't even know what it's called. The factory sway bar end link out, and here is the HHP shortened sway bar end link. It's only shorter by like an inch. If you can tell, nothing looks different. It literally looks like they took a stock one, cut it, and welded it. Not a big difference. B Woody's is like double the thickness. Looks a lot better, but it's just 2 bolts right here and right here, and it pops out. Here is our Demons, and currently we are on H&R lowering spring. Boys out. I'm getting us both out of here with this video. We'll put you on working on Hellcats all day. You don't want to do this? Ready? Going slow. You ready? New wheel stud, the new Demon springs in the back, our shortened sway bar end link back in, and then that will fit our 17-inch wheel. The guy at work, Shane, he did the work for me, so if you need your Hellcat lowered, he's gonna hate me to say it, but message me and we'll get him to put yours on. The wheel stud, it being stripped, we had to take the brake off, the rotor off. He took all this apart, and it took longer than it did to change the springs. So apparently if you got welds on a 17-inch with Demon springs, you can break stuff. So we probably won't be doing any digs, but I'm ready to see if we'll be squatting like this, you know what I'm saying? Be twerking the Hellcat. And these are our back H&R lowering springs. So if you need H&R lowering springs, let me know. We'll do these to a giveaway or something. Demon springs in the back. Woo, them welds are kind of cold. It's gonna squat. I wonder if it's gonna raise or make the front drop. Seems to look pretty good. They look good. Shoot. Oh. Yeah, I might have to get in and move it. It's got the Fat Boy special. I was barely inching in there. I guess you're smaller than I am because it almost hit. I think you're right. That boy is cold. think. We still got to put the front springs on. So the front is still on the H&R lowering springs. We got the Demon springs in the back. I'm ready to see if it starts twerking. Let me know y'all's thoughts below. We're gonna get a test drive home to see if it squats or not. But these wheels are hard. Chat, y'all let me know what y'all think below. This boy is crazy. That boy is crazy. Woo! It might. I don't know if it's squatting yet, but this boy looks good. Sounds good. Looks good. Y'all see what's behind me, man. This car, the Hellcat's finally not stock, man. This car looks crazy. We ran out of time tonight. It is getting late. It is almost 10 o'clock and we've been working all day, but we got the springs on the back and the 17 by 10s in the back. I'm pretty sure they are Mickey Thompson Street SS 305 45 17s in the back. Front wheels are coming in tomorrow. Actually, we just still have to get tires for the front. We did decide to buy new TPMS sensors for the back and the front, so we can just switch the wheels. If not, if we got to, or if the wheels, we sell them, or if we sell the car or something, we can sell the wheels separately. But the car is coming crazy and it's finally not stock. We finally got wheels on the Hellcat, and I mean, y'all let me know what y'all think below, chat. Like, the Hellcat's going crazy. On Demon springs, we're gonna be able to see if it's squatting. We're about to get a ride home. We're about to see if it's gripping, if it's shaking. Y'all just let me know what y'all think, because I thought the polish in the black would look kind of different on the orange, but dang boy, with the lifted up in the back to squat and the lowered in the front, you know it's party in the front, business in the back type. And we ain't playing games. The Hellcat, one of a kind, man, one of one. We're gonna build the Hellcat. Corvette might be sold tomorrow, so by the time hopefully this video is up, the Hellcat or the Corvette will be gone. So I don't know, what do y'all want to see? We might have to see if we can push this Hellcat, man. I might be coming for y'all boys. This car is cold and I'm loving it, baby. But let's hop in the Hellcat, man. One more clip before we hop in the Hellcat. This car is sick, man. I am hyped. Let me know what y'all think, chat. God, man. It's got to be the hardest Hellcat, bro. Like, let me know. I can't be the only one. Y'all are loving the Hellcat, so the Hellcat is here to stay. We're building this boy. Let me know what y'all think, man. We're hopping in now. Hopping in. And y'all see what's on the ground. So it's the next day. As you can tell, we're in a new fit. We're back at work. But mid-video, it is going to be a sad video. And y'all probably guessed it. The time was coming for the C6. We got the new owner on the way up here, and he should be here within an hour. So we got it all cleaned up for the new owner, and it's hitting hard. We wanted it gone, but now that it's leaving, this was always my dream car growing up, and so it's hitting hard. It's hitting hard. I'm getting sad, YouTube. I'm getting sad, but who knows what's in store. God's plan, and God's gonna take us to where he wants us to go, and through him, a minor setback is a major comeback, and you never know how he's gonna reveal himself. So let's get our last cold start, man. was almost here to get the car, and the car wasn't starting. Ended up just having to jump it off, and we're good. But the Corvette is gone, sadly, but happily. We're on to better things, and we never know what God has in store. So maybe we'll replace it shortly. Who knows what the plan is? I don't know what I'm doing. But little update, if we know that we are going to be able to get approved for the house loan, we might be replacing the Corvette sooner than later. Now that we got a little bit of money to play with, we might be able to get approved for a little loan. God works in mysterious ways, and the Corvette is now gone. So say goodbye to the wide body scatty. Go subscribe to my boy AJP Streets on YouTube. We at the gas station like always. We're about to pump some 93 into it.
What expense to change that when you fill out?
I only carry card, or I would. A piece of pizza inside? Yeah, give me one moment. I'll come up over there. Yes, sir. Man. Just like that, 5467 to fill up the Hellcat here in South Carolina. And y'all see the welds are still looking good as always, and we're about to have to show y'all what this boy looking like. Y'all see what it looks like at the pump, man. But God, the setup, the Belmonts do go crazy. I'm not gonna lie to you two. Let me know y'all's thoughts below of what y'all think, and because this is an ultimate banger video and we don't disappoint. So here's this. Yeah, here we go. I don't know if since the front springs are on, it'll make it squat more, but we are in track right here. And I mean, you can see we're gripping. And you gotta get the pops and the cracks. Here we go. You ready, YouTube? We're gonna get a 30 roll. Jesus. I think the front springs are gonna make this boy squat back like it should, and with the big grips on the back, we fixed the traction issue in the Hellcat, and all you need is 17-inch wheels, sway bar and links, and some demon springs, and you're running. That supercharger talking. Really, the Hellcat's been squatting in like, I don't know, the Hellcat been squatting like 355 warm-up type. I didn't even want to do a dig because I heard if you don't have a drive shaft or a diff brace, you can break some shit, but we're gonna slightly roll into it. Bro, we just left like a football field of black lines. At that yellow sign, like that long of black streaks, like 305 come alive streaks. Like they aren't little baby streaks. I'm talking like, I mean, got some grip behind them type. But so stay tuned if you're ready for the Hellcat build, and if you have suggestions of what you want to see done to the Hellcat or any car ideas. How do y'all feel about a motorcycle coming to the channel? Because I do miss the street bike. So let me know down below what y'all want to see come to the channel, what you want to see done to the Hellcat, what kind of videos y'all want to see. And like always, thank y'all so much for loving the support on the videos. Shout out 900 subs, so close to 1K. We're almost able to get paid, baby. Thank you for letting me support. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for allowing me to achieve my dreams and making my dreams become into reality. And like always, no matter what you do, you can do it through God. Just believe in yourself and never give up, and anything's possible. And what you see me or what you see your favorite person do, just know that you can do better, and always believe in yourself, and God will reveal what he has in store for you. Just keep him by your side and anything's possible. Thank you like always. Comment, subscribe, like the video.